In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use Copilot AI in Windows 11. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. Copilot AI is an exciting feature that integrates seamlessly into Windows 11, designed to enhance your productivity and assist with various tasks. So whether you're a seasoned Windows user or you've just hopped on board, enabling and using Copilot is a fantastic way to enhance your experience. First things first, let's make sure you have the latest version of Windows 11 installed. This feature may not be available on older builds of the operating system, so you'll want to keep your system up to date. To check for updates, click on the Start menu and select the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. Once you're in Settings, locate and click on Windows Update on the left sidebar. Here you can check for updates and install any that are available. This might take a few moments, so feel free to grab a cup of coffee while Windows does its thing. Now that your system is up to date, let's enable Copilot AI. To do this, you'll want to open the Start menu again and begin typing Copilot. As you type, you should see the Copilot AI option appear in the search results. Click on that to open it up. If this is your first time accessing it, you might need to go through a brief setup process. Don't worry, it's quite straightforward and guides you through the necessary steps. Once Copilot is up and running, you'll notice a small panel that can be docked at the side of your screen. This is your AI assistant, ready to help you tackle a range of tasks. But what can you do with Copilot? Well, the possibilities are pretty exciting. You can ask it questions, get recommendations for apps and services, or even have it assist you in finding information online. Let's explore this a bit further. Suppose you're working on a presentation and you need to quickly gather some data. You can simply click into the Copilot panel. Type in "Show me statistics on the latest trends in remote work," and watch as Copilot fetches the information for you. Isn't that neat? It saves you time and allows you to focus on crafting your presentation rather than getting lost in web searches. Another great feature of Copilot is its ability to integrate with other apps. For example, if you're using Microsoft Teams, you can have Copilot assist you in managing your meetings. By simply asking, "Can you schedule a meeting for me next week?" Copilot will take care of that without you having to navigate through multiple windows. It's like having a personal assistant right at your fingertips. If you find yourself stuck and you're not quite sure how to use a particular app, you can ask Copilot for guidance. Just type in a question like, "How do I create a pivot table in Excel?" And Copilot will give you detailed instructions, sometimes even accompanied by visual aids, to help you understand better. It's all about making your life easier and more productive. And for those of you who enjoy customizing your experience, you can adjust some settings in Copilot to tailor it to your preferences. Look for the gear icon within the Copilot panel, and you'll find options to configure how Copilot responds, which notifications you want to see, and much more. So there you have it. Enabling and using Copilot AI in Windows 11 is as easy as that. It's an invaluable tool that can streamline tasks, improve productivity, and make navigating your system a breeze. I encourage you to explore it and see how it can fit into your daily routine. If you've enjoyed learning about Copilot today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this.